Good morning children, welcome to the video class. Grade 5 Social Science Chapter 6. We are seeing about Greenland no? In the previous class we saw about the location and then the vegetation and animals found in Greenland. Greenland, it is the largest island in the world and it lies in the Tundra region, and the distance between North Pole and Greenland was 650 kilometer, and it is covered with a thick layer of ice. Yes, and then the climate of Greenland is very icy and cold climate. Yes, and chilly winds it blow at the high speed of 150 kilometer per hour, and winters are very long and dark and gloomy. And then the vegetation, the natural vegetation of Greenland, it consists of mosses and lichens, and then reindeer, it is the most common animal that found in this region. And then we saw about the life of people no. Eskimos, they are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Is in this session we will see the remaining part of the lesson. Life of people. The climatic conditions are very harsh and challenging, therefore the population is very small. Is because the climate is very chilly climate, cold climate, so the population is very small. See, look at the picture of the Eskimos. They are the original inhabitants of Greenland. See the picture they have given no. These people are the original inhabitants of Greenland, and they are short and stout and have narrow black eyes and flat face. See, these are the appearance of the Eskimos. They are very short and stout, and they have narrow black eyes and flat face. And another name of the Eskimos is the Inuits, and they live in small villages along the southwest coast. The lifestyle of these people has undergone many changes in the last few years, as Greenland has been connected to cities in Europe and North America. See, the lifestyle of the Eskimos, the people in Greenland, they were changing because for the last few years the Greenland, it is connected to the cities in Europe and North America. The influence of science and technology has brought about drastic changes in this snow land. Yes, because of the influence of science and technology, the Greenland, it is becoming very changed. It has brought about drastic changes in this snow land. And then occupations of Greenland is, what are the main occupations of the people in Greenland? The main occupations here are fishing, hunting and trading. These are the main occupations of Greenland people. And then Eskimos are good hunters who hunt with harpoons. Says they are the good hunters. The Eskimos hunt the seals, walruses and whales and the polar bear. See, this one is the picture of kayak. They use this boat, small boat, for hunting. And then they use skin of the seal for clothing. Yes, they use the animal's skin for clothing, and then they eat its meat and use its fat for burning a lamp. Their clothes consist of furs and skins of animals. They usually use the skins of animals as their cloths. And then Eskimos use the sledge and a small boat called kayak. The picture no I shown in this before slides no, that that is known as the kayak. The kayak, it is a small one-man canoe or boat made of walrus or seal skin stretched over a wooden frame. It is used to hunt sea animals. Is that kayak? It is used to hunt sea animals, and for hunting large animals like whales, big boats called umek are used. Yes, for hunting sea animals they use kayak, and then for hunting large animals like whales they use big boats. They are called umek. Is and then houses. Eskimos live in a small house made of ice called igloo. See, this picture is the igloo is. It is a dome-shaped home having a low, narrow opening, and animal skin and fur are used to cover the floor. Yes, this is the house of Eskimos. It is in small size, no small house. It is made up of ice. Yes, this house it is made up of ice, and it is a dome shaped home. It is having a low and narrow opening. See, this one is the opening of the house, and they use animal skin and fur for the floor. And in summer they live in skin tents called taupiks. See, this one is the skin tent. In summer season they used to live in this tent. And then clothing. The cloths are made from seal, reindeer and walrus skin. Already we saw, no, they use only the animal's skin for clothing. See, these animals skin they used as their cloths: seal, reindeer and walrus skin. Eskimos wear waterproof shoes made from seal skin. They use waterproof shoe. As the water, it will not enter into the shoe while they wearing. And then men and women, children wear jackets called parka. They wear jackets, they are called parka. And then the government has provided good facilities to the people of Greenland. Life has changed in Greenland. Many towns have developed. The towns have all kinds of facilities as that in the other modern towns, that is shops, markets, schools, colleges, hospitals, post offices and hotels. Yes, nowadays the government it has provided good facilities to the people of Greenland, and life of the people in Greenland were also changed, and many kinds of facilities were also available in that place. Yes, like shops, markets, schools, college, hospitals, post offices and hotels. And then towns. There are very few towns in Greenland. All of them are near the coast in the southwest. Only there are a few towns in Greenland that also near the coast in the southwest. And Nuuk, it is the capital of Greenland, and it is a big trade center and has a modern airport, and it has a population around 15,000. Is Nuuk, it is the capital of Greenland. It is a big trading center and main and it has a modern airport also, and its population is around 15,000, and it is the biggest and oldest town in Greenland. It is the biggest and oldest town in Greenland. Yes, and then Holsteinberg, it is the administrative center and the second largest town in Greenland. It has a large shipyard with a population around 5,000. Other towns are Vipernavik, and then Umanak and Quasi-Gianquit, and then Amansalik, etc. These are the other towns that is in Greenland. People now live in modern houses built of wood. Motorboats have replaced old kayaks, and powerful rifles have replaced harpoons. Yes. See, they used kayak for their hunting. No, nowadays the modern days, the motorboats it replaced kayaks, and then the powerful rifles it replaced harpoons. Yes, the government it has provided many good facilities for the people for their development. Yes, that's all, children. Your Greenland lesson was over. Note down your homework. Answer the following question. What is the location of the Tundra region? Mention two features of the climate of Greenland, and define iceberg, harpoon, sledge, igloo. Why is the vegetation less here? How are animals important in such cold places? Yes, you have to answer for all these questions. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.